Good day to the viewing and listening public. Thank you for joining us for today's COVID-19 update. As usual, we are speaking with the Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony. Minister, it's a pleasure having you with us once again. Dr. Anthony, just last evening, the National COVID-19 Task Force issued a number of temporary new measures to assist in the fight against COVID-19. Considering that the task force has issued an extension on the current curfew for tonight, what is your advice to the general public in ensuring that they safeguard themselves from contracting COVID-19?
The reason why we extended the curfew hours for tonight is basically there are lots of churches that have appealed to us that people want to go out to do prayers and so forth. And even while you're going to church to pray and to welcome the new year, we must not let down our guard. We should keep social distancing. We should sanitize our hands, and obviously we should wear masks as we are in these enclosed environments. So over the last day or two, we have seen an increase in cases. Yesterday, we have seen 161 new cases. Today, we have 182 new cases. So these increase in cases, they're occurring in all the regions. But right now, what is jumping out is that you have more active cases in Region 4, and we are seeing new cases occurring in Region 4. On the East Bank, the Providence, Diamond, Eccles area, we have seen a lot of new cases occurring in those areas. In Georgetown, there are areas in Georgetown like South Rheinbelt, Campbellville. These areas we are seeing an increase in cases. When we look across the other regions, the one that jumps out would be in New Amsterdam, where we have a number of cases there as well. And we have seen an increase in cases in Lethem in Region 9. We have also seen cases going up in Region 10 in Wismar. So when you look across the country, you are seeing cases now that are popping up. So we're still at 80.1% for adult vaccination. That would mean that 411,081 persons who would have received the first dose. And for second dose, we have 295,325 persons who would have received their second dose vaccine. That's about 57.6% of the adult population. Booster doses has made a modest jump, and we are now at 11,813 persons receiving their booster doses. And the 11 to 17 remains pretty much the same. I just wanted to extend a big thank you to all our healthcare workers who have gone beyond the call of duty throughout this year as we battle with the pandemic. As you know, during the year we have had many cases. We have done lots of tests to detect these cases, and we have been able to treat many patients. And because of the way that our healthcare workers perform during the year, most of the patients who were affected by COVID, about 95% of them, were able to recover. So I want to thank them for all the hard work that they've done, the sacrifices they would have made, and because of their efforts, Guyana has been a little bit safer.